Thank you for choosing Endless Shine. We're now going to go over our foam cannon and our Blizzard soap. Our Blizzard soap was designed to be 1,000 to 1 dilution, fully concentrated. We do not sell any watered down soaps or products ready to use. It's 1,000 to 1 dilution. So what you're going to do is, you're going to fill up your foam cannon with water, and basically about a shot and a half or 2 shot glasses full of soap. That's all you need to wash your car and have extreme foam. Our wide mouth foam cannon is very easy to put the soap inside. Give it a quick shake.